Kabir's routine began to change in ways he did not fully recognize at first. He started arriving earlier to meetings, lingering longer at project sites, and finding excuses to cross paths with Nandini that seemed accidental but were carefully thought out. These moments were small at first, a shared glance over a set of blueprints, a brief conversation about light falling across a wall, but they grew into longer, more meaningful interactions. Their conversations slowly moved beyond the technical aspects of the project, drifting into personal histories, memories, and perspectives that neither had shared with others in years. During walks through unfinished structures and shaded courtyards, Kabir spoke about growing up in a household where achievements were praised but emotion was rarely expressed, where silence was often mistaken for strength and love was quietly measured in expectations. Architecture had become his language, the only space where he felt fully understood, where his thoughts could take shape and matter. Nandini listened without interruption or judgment, never trying to offer solutions or fix what he shared, but simply offering her presence and attention, which felt extraordinary to him. In return, she revealed fragments of her own life, childhood spent moving from city to city, learning to adapt to change, and the quiet fear that attachment might bring instability. She described choosing her career not for recognition, but to bring stability and care to communities she could not always rely on herself, a decision rooted in empathy and resilience. Kabir was struck by her honesty, by the way she held her vulnerabilities without turning them into burdens or drama, by the way she made the ordinary feel significant. There was a quiet strength in her openness, a rare kind of courage that did not demand attention yet refused to be ignored. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, Kabir realized that his structured world was shifting, and that the person who had entered it so calmly had begun to occupy space in his mind and heart in ways he could neither plan nor control.